It's recording, silly.
Ooh.
Okay.
Hey guys, we're gonna talk about a serious subject.
Serious, dude.
Serious.
Not even joking. Okay.
Whitney's parents are aliens. Ta-da!
I mean,
the book said so.
I didn't mean to do that.
It was just like,
This is my dad.
this is my mom.
We need to get a close-up.
Close up, dude.
Close up. They
Oh,
look
Mommy
exactly
and
like
Daddy.
Yesterday, I thought they were my parents.
Today,
Oh my god! This is gonna fall off. Oh, never mind. I'm just gonna close in my butt. Okay.
oh well.
But for real, guys. Aliens. Oh well, what else is new? No, they're aliens. Not even joking.
Dead serious.
Dead for cereal.
You wanna know why?
It's
they're aliens?
Okay.
Because they ask you to turn down the music, and their clothes are weirdly out of style. And sometimes you'll come into a room and catch them just sitting there quietly, perhaps holding a book. Oh! Oh my god! Oh! They're aliens! Oh my god! We're aliens! Oh my god! We need to take a shower because we're aliens.
Oh no! Time to take a shower. Wait, what?
Okay. Your pants is no disclosure.
Oh yeah, it was having an emo day.
Oh.
Oh. Oh yeah. Oh yes. Oh,
This
yeah.
is how we do it.
In our pandas. You're losing its
Oh
stuffing.
my god, no! It threw up. Had an accident.
It's done. Okay.
I think Lloyd wrote that.
What did he say? Lloyd and I have no idea. I don't know cursing.
Oh, I just don't know how to read it.
Oh, well, I had to read Lloyd writing.
Yeah.
Basically. La la la. Techno. I don't even know what that means. It just keeps flashing.
Wait, what?
My radio, like, it keeps flashing techno. At the same time? Well, it's
Demo.
a bunch of different stuff.
Who's demo?
Beat.
Punch.
Punch! Yes.
Blast.
Dolby.
Dolby. Surround. I was gonna say sound.
Oh, Centric.
Phantom. Dolby. Re-stereo. Stereo. Wait. Is. Jazz. Classic. Rock.
You want to see it?
Oh.
Techno! Oh,
Techno.
yes! Oh, no, is it gone? It's gone! No! Darn it. It's like the Bible.
It's our alien spaceship.
Oh, yes. Aliens.
What is this?
I don't know. Those are pants. Actually,
No,
that's
they're
the
not.
jacket. I like jackets because I wear clothes.
These are cute. Pretty.
I'm selling those clothes. They're really small.
Oh yeah? They're very...
Yeah. Well, I think I put the camera in a very awkward
Oh,
spot.
there's always...
Whoa, hello? Oh, look at my crotch.
Oh,
Okay.
let's do that.
You want to see something cool? Look. I'm cool. Oh, yeah. You want one, Julia?
Yes?
Okay. Wait, now watch. Ow!
I think you broke your light.
I think I just burnt myself.
Oh.
Okay. Watch. It's on. We're going to talk to them in the dark.
Okay.
They're going to see where we are.
And then they're just gonna know that we're glowing with
We
fire.
are glowing. Ready?
Whoa, ouch.
Whoa.
Don't trip on anything. This is our alien ritual.
Whoa! Oh, praise the alien spaceship that says rock, 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 rock. Techno, 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 techno. Optimal procedure.
Guess what? There's a chance that they might be able to see our faces right now.
Hello. Can you see my face?
Can you see it?
Can you see us? Can you see us? That probably looked really creepy.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that, look at that, look at that.
Oh my goodness, it grew.
It grew. Just like
Magic. And techno.
Yeah.
Jazz, 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 jazz,
jazz,
jazz.
Classical. Class.
Rock. I love when it says cough before it says rock.
That is amazing.
Techno, techno, techno.
Techno. I think it's having a heart attack.
Maybe.
I think it's overexcited.
Like me.
Oh yes, me too. What are we doing?
I don't know, but it's very amusing.
Ready? Ow! I hit myself in the face. It's really hard to do, actually.
I'm scared I'm gonna hit myself.
I know. Why are you doing?
Okay.
Oh yeah.
Oh, guess what? I have $100.
Really?
Yeah.
Dude, me too. Where'd you get $100?
I just never go shopping, so I like my money has kind of
Dude,
stayed
me
there.
too, dude. I'm so psyched. Oh yeah. Cause I babysat yesterday for $20, and then my alien uncle gave me that money.
Ho ho.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. He even looks like an alien.
Ew, okay, how about yesterday I was watching Halloween, and like the scariest part of the movie, Nate just like walks in, and I'm just like, dude, freaking creeper. Scary. It was like 2:30 in the morning.
Oh.
I was like, don't come here, 2:30 in the morning. But then he's a kid, so it was all okay. Ow!
Was he drunk?
A little bit. I don't know, you can never tell.
I know.
With
It's
him.
just like, well, when he's drunk, he kind of makes a weird noise with his nose. He's all.
He does do that a lot. He like
It's
snorts
kind
when
of
he's drunk.
disgusting.
I know. It's kind of really annoying when he's sober, though. I've noticed. He's just hilarious when he's drunk.
Yeah. He's like a jerk when he's sober.
I know, he is. Like, I hate him. Actually. Like, when he's drunk, he makes fun of people, but it's funny, but like, I don't know, he's just jerky when he's sober. Like a zigzag. What it do? 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 Soldier boy in the hood. Dropping like it's hot.
Guess
What?
It's 9:32.
9:32.
Oh! Teletubby, bye-bye. Oh. Isn't it weird how, like, if you shake it and it's, like, in the dark, it looks like the numbers, like, stay in the same spot?
That is so weird. Let's show it to the camera. Ready? 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 Are you ready? I'm already doing it, so you better be ready.
Oh. Brittany's selling some pretty ugly pants. You can buy them.
Yeah, they're pink.
They're pink and have a big pink button on the butt.
Yeah. Yep. I didn't do that. La la la. Yeah, I'm selling a lot of clothes actually, because I need money. Yay.
I've had, like, this bag of clothes to take to Plato's for, like, ever, and my mom is just like, oh, am I going to put these in the garage? Like, okay, you do that.
Yeah, me too, dude. I need to go to Play-Doh soon. They'll take, like, bracelets and stuff, too.
Really?
I found out. Yeah, I know. I, like, turned in, like, all these bracelets for, like, $10. How's this sweet? Sweet! So, I'm gonna try to go there maybe tomorrow. Or the next day. 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 Or the next day.
Jazz, 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 jazz.
Classical, classical.
Alien parents. Alien. That is the longest video ever.
No, Carly's texting me.
Holy crap.
I am no ball.
She's
I
don't understand that.
Me neither. Oh, you should. Because Obama's on TV. Oh, Obama. We should make a video about that, dude. We should make, like, an Obama rap. Yes.
Yes, we're going to do that later, guys. So
Okay.
tune in.
Obama rap next. Or maybe
don't
later.
know.
Maybe. We will do it, though. We're going to do it. Promise. We will do it tonight. I mean, the Obama rap.
We're not going to videotape that part, guys.
Oh, yeah. I'm sorry. We're going to run out of film.
Oh, yeah.
I'm done.
Take way too long.
How long is it? Ah! It's Judy! Oh, it's Mark. It's Mark. It's
Hello.
Mark!
We're taking a video right now.
So,
Yeah.
you know what? Phone calls in the middle of videos. We're done.